Hey, this is Stacy with Minecraft, and I just want to share another powerful and positive idea with you about organization. We oftentimes miss the mark because we aren't organized. Have you ever had that experience where it seems like your stress has increased a little bit, or you couldn't find what you was looking for when you need it, and so the meeting happened and you couldn't pull out that document or that file? We miss the mark a lot because we're not organized. So my question to you is, are you organized? Could you be more organized? What areas of your life need to become more organized? Is it your finances? Is it your closets? Is it the family photos that are in all different phones and different cameras and different photo albums all over the place? You need to organize your computer files, your cabinets, your garages. Do you need to just simply organize your life and finding a way to balance your life? Organization takes the stress out of living. One of the most effective tools that I've ever used was an app that I just recently found. And I've been dabbling in these apps for years, but I found the perfect app. And this app basically allows me to take every single one of my bills. I've got about 12 or 13 bills that I pay every single month. I put all of those bills in the app. I put the name of the creditor. I put the date that the money is going to come out of my account or the date that needs to be paid. I put the amount there. And this system will remind me 3 days or even a week before it's time to pay those bills. So I'm never concerned if I'm going to miss the mark in my finances. I have too many other things going on to be concerned about paying somebody late or not having enough in the account or overdrawing or any of those types of things. And so by putting all of my finances in one place and having my computer to remind me of the most important dates and the most important events to come, it gives me a real woosah in the area of my finances. I am completely organized in my finances, and it feels so good to have that confidence that I'm never going to miss the mark. I don't have to worry about it anymore. It's already on cruise control. Take time to organize your life. Take time to organize your closet, your cars, your relationship, even with your family. You should encourage a family meeting once a week. That's a part of organizing your family. That's a part of being a leader in your family. There's hundreds of ideas that you can do to improve your organization, but nothing is going to happen until you desire to have more organization in your life. Start thinking about it, start asking the right questions, and I assure you, you'll be on a path to improving your effectiveness and your efficiency in life through organization. This is Craftmatic, and I'll look forward to talking with you next time.